Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another monthly lifestyle favorites video. Alright, so I'm super excited to share with you everything that I've been loving over the past month or so. We've got a good variety of items, some really good Bodycare lotion finds this month. So excited to share with you. So, all right, so this first product is a Bodycare product and it is the Necessary, whatever, I think it's Necessary. I don't know the actual pronunciation of this, but it is their body lotion in the fragrance free. I love this stuff. I think it's really nice that that brands have started putting the same products that you put on your face all over your body. I think that's really nice. So this one has like vitamin B and it's like a multivitamin. I want to say it has, I don't know, it doesn't have any of the information on the packaging, but I want to say it has like vitamin B5 and different, I don't know, different good for you ingredients, which I appreciate. This is really nice. It's lightweight. I feel like I can put this on and go outside. If you know what I mean, I'm very picky with my lotions on when I use what lotions. I have so many, but this one I feel like it's hydrating enough and like nourishing enough, but it's not like heavy. It sinks into the skin really well. I don't love the packaging. I'm gonna be honest. I don't love squeezy tubes. I prefer pumps, but besides that, I think it's really nice. You can get this at Sephora. That's when I picked it up, or where I picked it up. And I've really, honestly, been enjoying it. I like really have seen so many people talk about it, to be honest with you. And then when a friend mentioned it in real life that she loves it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out. And it's good, it's worth the hype, I understand. A new brand to me is Naturium. I've never tried any of their products, but I wanted to try this body lotion, and y'all, this is so freaking good. Okay, this is thicker and creamier than this guy. I can still wear this during the day, but it takes a little bit longer to soak into my skin, but it's phenomenal. So this is the Biolipid Restoring Body Lotion. So this has, it's also fragrance free. It has, I want to say ceramides, yeah, shea butter, omega fatty acids, B vitamins. Yeah, it's phenomenal. B2, 3, and 5. I want to say that it has ceramides in it as well. I don't see it. The ingredients are amazing. It has niacinamide. It has so many just like amazing ingredients. Love that it has a pop or top. When I was purchasing this, they didn't have it at, what was it? Target, which is where I've seen this brand to purchase. So I purchased it on their website and I had to like order a certain amount to get like free shipping. So I'll show you another product that I ordered that I ended up falling in love with, but now they have it on Amazon for like 15 bucks. I know it's pricey for body lotion. It's 14 ounces, which is a standard drugstore body lotion size, but it's, you know, close to double the price of the original, but it is worth it in my opinion. I am super picky with lotions and I really absolutely love this. So I'm excited to try more from this line. I just think it's good. So into perspective, this was $25 for 6.8 ounces and this was, like I said, $15 for, you know, more than double the amount. So I do really freaking love this and I will continue to buy this over and over again. I think it's such an amazing product and I think their packaging is super cute, which leads me to this face wash. I needed a new like in shower face wash. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I have so many of them. I just already packed them away for the move and I don't know, couldn't be bothered to open the box, and I was like, well, I need to do this because I need free shipping, right? Does anybody else do that? I do. It's their strategy. It works on me. But it's a nice way to try new products, and their prices are really affordable. So this is the Naturium Mixed Greens Nutrient Rich Cleanser with vitamin C, green tea, and aloe. I really like this. It lathers really well, but doesn't leave my face feeling stripped. I really like I said, has a pump, good for the shower. But yeah, I find overall that it just brightens my skin, it cleanses my skin, which is the biggest thing for me, and it doesn't strip my skin. So I've really enjoyed having this in my shower. I prefer, like I said, a pump top. I just find that I use less products with a pump because I know how much to use. It's like a consistent like stream flow of product versus this, which is like, you just like don't know how big of a squeeze you need for each leg. You know what I mean? Nonetheless, this is really good. I'm excited to try out even more. I am using their vitamin C, but I don't know if it's like amazing yet. It takes a while to do, but I do like the application on my face, and I do feel like it gives me an instant glow. But long term, I feel like vitamin C's take a little while to see full results. But I am curious, have you tried their body wash? Apparently they have this like oil foaming body wash that I really want to try. And I mean, everything just looks so cute. I love their minimalistic packaging. I don't know what the L and the G mean. Probably should look that up. But yes, Naturium for the win. You can find their stuff at Target, but you can also get their stuff on Amazon as well as their website. All right, moving along, I have a fragrance that I fell in love with. I actually loved the large size, and I wish I had bought the large size when I had repurchased this. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I repurchased it just in this small container, mostly just because I feel like I have so many fragrances, and I don't know, I like to switch things up, but I've clearly used quite a bit of this already. I like that it has a spray instead of just like the rollerball, you know what I mean? So I love this. I just feel like it's such, I don't know. It's such a good smell, and I feel like I always get compliments when I wear this fragrance. So yeah, highly, highly recommend if you're looking for a good spring, summer fragrance. The Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs is one of my favorites, and I love that you can at least try it in the small version and then decide if you want to invest in the large version, which I've already had the large version, so I literally should have just repurchased the big one. But nonetheless, this one is such a good fragrance, and I love it for the spring, summer. I'll leave like the fragrance notes on the screen because I'm terrible at knowing them. I just think it smells good, but everyone's, you know, sniffer is different. So I'll leave the fragrance notes here if it's something you're interested in checking out. So we went to Schaumburg earlier this month, end of last month, to look for a new place to live, and we found a place. Super exciting. We move next month, but I needed a little jewelry case to travel with since I've been wearing so much more jewelry, which I'm going to show you in a second. I've been really getting into jewelry, and I love it. So I needed something to pack all my stuff in for the trip, and I wanted something small because I don't have a huge collection, but something big enough where, you know, I could fit everything and it would stay organized, okay? So I got this little, it's like velvet off of Amazon. It's super tiny, like it's not so big, and then it has a little mirror in the front of it right when you open it, and then you flip this down, and that's where you put your earring or your necklaces. You can put more than just the 3, even though I don't have really more than 3 that I wear, and then the rest of the chain just goes into this little pocket right here, which is awesome. Flip it back up and you have places for your rings and earrings and things like that. I really like this little pouch. I don't know, I had no idea that I would, and I really also like it, especially for traveling and whatnot, because you can just keep everything in here. And let's say, like, for instance, when I was going to the gym and the housekeeper or like the room keeper would come, I would put my rings, because I don't wear my rings to the gym, put them in here and then put it in the safe. So everything was just compact and in here, so I didn't have to worry about anything getting lost, and I was able to look at all the different stuff that I brought with me for the trip. Okay, since I've been getting into more jewelry, and I'm definitely looking to still invest in some nicer pieces, I just bought a watch because I'm thinking about buying a nicer watch, but I want to see if I'll actually use it, because to be honest with you, I wear this all the freaking time, my Apple Watch. So I'm doing the same with gold jewelry because I feel like I've always been a silver girl, but recently I've really been into gold jewelry. So I got this little variety pack off of Amazon, and they're so freaking cute. I'll show you all of them on, but they just come with such a good variety of different shapes and sizes, and I've been in love with this little pack, and I want to say it was like under $17. And they're really lightweight, which is nice. I feel like they don't hurt my ears, you know, and they haven't turned me green or given me like weird ear issues. So if you are trying to get into jewelry and you're like, okay, I want to try, but the thought of like spending, you know, $100 on a pair of earrings is a little overwhelming because I don't know if I'm going to wear them, check out Amazon. I feel like they have some of my, I don't know, my staple pieces. I just haven't found, you know, the need to really look elsewhere at this point, but I am, like I said, interested in investing in at least like a basic pair of gold hoops once I find the size that I love the most. But trends change so much, so it's fun to be able to find like affordable jewelry that you can kind of, you know, mix and match and add to your wardrobe to completely change the look. Another piece that I've been in love with is this little choker. It's like a coin style necklace. These have been popular for a really long time. I've just never purchased them. I like how you can make this like a choker or go a little bit longer. It's beautiful for layering. It's just such a pretty piece, and the way that the light hits it, I absolutely love it. So been really loving this little gold coined necklace, but again, not something necessarily that I would splurge on just because I don't know how often I would wear it, but I've been wearing it so far a lot this month, so we'll see if that trend continues because, I don't know, I changed things up quite a bit. All right, this should come as no surprise if you watch my vlog channel, which is always linked down below. I wear this thing all the freaking time. When I'm running errands, when I'm on my walks, like all the time. They came out with a smaller bum bag. I don't think it's called the bum bag anywhere. I think it's called the everywhere bag or anywhere bag. I don't know. By Lululemon. This is small, but it does fit my keys and my phone perfectly, and I have the largest iPhone, and it still fits in there with enough room. I was surprised because I was like, oh my god, this is so tiny. It's got the same little mesh pocket inside. I really love this. I have the white one in the original size, and I found myself reaching for the black one in the smaller size a lot more, but it just depends on how much you need to carry and what your needs are. Like I said, this fits my keys, wallet, my wallet is my keys, anyways, and then my phone perfectly, and I can fit a lip balm in here, but that's about it. If you need something bigger, definitely go with the original size. But these are awesome for walks. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it on your hips, anything, and they're really nice. I know that everybody and their mama talks about them, and it's because they're worth it. I needed a new pair of slippers. My old ones honestly were just slightly too big, and whenever I would walk up or down the stairs, I would trip like really bad. And I originally bought those just to have in the RV so that like when I was walking outside, like they had the rubber bottom. So that's what I bought them for, and I plan to leave them there because I've never been a slipper girl. But then I fell in love with them, and then I kept wearing them in the house. And I brought them back out of the RV. And then the soles just stopped getting so squishy, and they just, like I said, they were just too big for me. So I wanted to get a new one, and these just, how cute. I'm sorry, they're everywhere. I've had these on my like Amazon wish list for a while, and I don't know why I just now purchased them. Mostly because I had slippers, so it's like I don't really need them. The soles are so squishy. I love the smiley faces. They're like this fuzzy knit material. They do have the rubber bottom, so you can wear them inside, outside, but I typically just wear them inside. They're just too precious, and Arlo calls them his happy face slippers and always steals them from me. And they fit me perfectly. They're snug, which is perfect because, like I said, I don't trip up the stairs now. I don't know why I trip upstairs, but I do. This favorites video is making me seem very basic. It is what it is. There's a reason why everyone talks about them and why they're so awesome, and it's because they are. It's the Stanley Cup. This thing is awesome, and the main reason I love it, there's two. There's more than two. First of all, it's 40 ounces, so I can fit a liquid IV in here perfectly. I know liquid IV says to do it in 16 ounces, but I can't. It's too strong. It's too sweet. Ugh. So I love it in 40 ounces. It's perfect, like the perfect amount of flavor to your water without feeling so sweet and overloaded. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, I was using one of those full closed like Yetis or my coldest water bottle, and they were getting moldy because of the sugar that is in liquid IV. It's really hard to keep them clean because they've got so many like nooks and crannies with the, you know, the bending straw thing. So this is awesome because I can see everything, and I could see if mold is growing in my water cup, which it's not. So we love that. So I can keep it clean. And then obviously the handle. It's awesome for running out the door and whatnot. It also fits in my cup holder, so I don't have to sacrifice the fact that it's giant and won't fit in my cup holder. It's everything. If you can find them, which I'm pretty sure they're currently sold out, highly recommend picking one up. I went through 2 like restock cycles before I finally pulled the trigger, and it was a very good decision. All right, I've got 2 lounge sets. This first one, you're gonna have to excuse me, it has the ordinary peeling solution on it because I wore this last night when I did that. But this is a little waffle knit set from Old Navy. I love the color of this. I love how comfy it is. I did size up in this, I want to say. Oh no, I got a small. No, I got a small in both pieces, but they do run large. Like the small fits like a medium, I would say, on me, but I liked that. I wanted something that wasn't super tight and was just comfortable, and like I could put this on to work throughout the day, or I could sleep in it. It's just a nice cozy set, and I can also like throw this on and still like go out the door to pick up Arlo or run groceries. Like I don't feel like I'm not put together. It's not like, you know, the best, but it's not straight up pajamas. And I've been trying to get more into matching pajama sets. I don't know, I just find that like I feel better in them, and I'm more inclined to get into those like a little bit earlier than, I don't know, I just like it. I've liked it, I found that I like it, and that is a nice little matching pajama set. This next set, I was influenced by Sweet Tea with Maddie, who she influences a lot of my Amazon purchases, so yeah. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you should, but also be aware that she recommends a lot of things that you'll be inclined to buy as well. So, Skims. Everybody and their mother has raved about Skims. If you literally cannot go a day on YouTube or Instagram without seeing a Skims try-on haul, whatever. I can never get my hands on it. It's always sold out. I also am kind of like, oh, is it worth that price tag? But Maddie had mentioned that there was this dupe set on Amazon, and so I ran over there and snagged it up. I feel like the pictures that they put on their website don't do anybody justice because it's all like, just, I don't know, just doesn't look good. But on, it's so cute. So it comes with this little triangle style top. The straps are adjustable. There is no hook in the back, which I find really comfortable. I can wear this like all day around the house, but I can also wear it to bed. And it comes with these sort of like boxer brief situations. I got a medium. I do recommend sizing up, especially if you don't want this like digging in or skin tight. I would say a medium fits me perfectly. It's really nice. It's this ribbed material. It's not super soft. Like I said, I do not know what the real Skims feels like, but this is comfortable and breathable, and I love lounging around in it, but also sleeping in it. I did get the apricot color, but heads up, I returned it because it was so sheer and so see-through that it wasn't worth it to me. So the navy, I can speak to the quality of the navy, and it's good. So check that out. Highly, highly recommend. And then the last piece that I got is a fashion piece, or last piece that I've been loving. I've already worn this 3 times since my Abercrombie haul. It is this like I think it's called the poplin tiered mini skirt thing. It is double lined, it's white. I love this. I wore this to a birthday party, a 3-year-old's birthday party, and I wore it with like a green button down. So cute, got so many compliments on it. I also wear it with a graphic tee. It's just such an easy like skirt to throw on with so many different options. You can do a bodysuit with a denim jacket. There's so many different options. I love it. I think you can't go wrong with a basic white skirt, and this isn't too short, which I love. So I got this in a small, and it's from Abercrombie. So those are all of my favorites. That's everything that I've been absolutely loving over the past month. So if there's anything that you're interested in checking out, all the links will be down in the description box, just so it's easier for you guys to shop and check out anything if you're curious to try out any of my favorites and see if you love them as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!